When uncontrolled, water hyacinth rises above the surface of the water and potentially harms the fish in the sea, destroys natural wetlands, restricts access of livestock to water, and reduces infiltration of the sun.
Tomorrow, even if you harvest it.
Standing in the midst of what many would consider a nuisance, Mike Olubunoye sees treasure. To him, these intrusive weeds can change the way we cook and help to sustain our earth. He uses the readily available water hyacinth, a major ingredient of the production of biofuel through automated means in his factory.
Can actually decide to get ethanol from other sources, like cassava itself, like sugarcane. But these are food that people consume, and this fight have a conflict with UN on a food security issue. So the problem we're trying to solve here is, instead of using the food that we can consume to create fuel that we're going to burn, why not get something that is not useful, and create fuel out of it?
In his factory, Mike takes us through the process of converting water hyacinth to biofuel.
We pour them into the storage house outside, where first fermentation will take place. So once it's outside, like the one inside now distillation is happening inside. I'm going to show you that one. That one is distilling there. We have some working there. But once this one is fermented, what they do is we'll pick those one that is fermented into the machine inside. So that machine is where you have more of the work.
The process continues to bring forth the second generation ethanol, which is only a step closer to the finished product, the cooking gel.
So we have different kinds of enzymes.
Time to mix the ethanol with other materials.
Once we finish the mixing from this place, where we stir it up and return to gel, then we time it. There's a particular time that is required. Once the time is done, the sound of the mixer will change. Then that's to tell us that it's ready.
Time the sound demonstration. When it burns, there's little or no pollution, making it more beneficial to the people and the planet.